Is affiliate marketing still a profitable business model in 2025? With the rise of new marketing trends and technologies, many are wondering if affiliate marketing is still a viable way to make money online. In this video, we'll dive into the current state of affiliate marketing, exploring the opportunities and challenges that come with it. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this video is perfect for anyone looking to make a profit online. So, is affiliate marketing still profitable in 2025? Watch to find out. Did you know that affiliate marketing has grown into a $17 billion industry worldwide, with an annual growth rate of over 10%? This explosive expansion highlights just how powerful and profitable the affiliate marketing space has become, offering endless opportunities for individuals and businesses alike. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based strategy where individuals or businesses earn commissions by promoting products or services online. In today's digital landscape, especially in 2024, it has become a cornerstone of online entrepreneurship. With e-commerce continuing to thrive and consumers seeking trusted recommendations, affiliate marketing serves as a bridge, connecting audiences with solutions they value while empowering marketers to build sustainable income streams. Many new affiliate marketers believe that the market is too saturated to succeed, assuming that all niches are overcrowded and leave no room for newcomers. This misconception often discourages them before they even begin. Another common challenge is the intense competition from established marketers who dominate search engine rankings and social platforms. Additionally, new affiliates may underestimate the time and effort required to build trust with their audience and see results, leading to frustration. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights and strategies to grow your online business. And if you're ready to take your affiliate marketing skills to the next level, join Smart Wealth Academy on Patreon for advanced training designed to help you build a thriving business. Your journey to success starts here. One inspiring example of affiliate marketing success is a blogger who started with zero experience and built a thriving business in the personal finance niche. Despite entering a competitive market, they identified a specific sub-niche, helping millennials manage student loans. They focused on creating highly targeted, SEO-optimized content and used tools like AI to analyze trending keywords. By combining authentic storytelling with valuable resources, they developed trust with their audience. The marketer also leveraged email marketing, offering free budgeting templates to grow their subscriber list. Over time, they partnered with brands offering innovative financial products, such as budgeting apps and investment platforms. Through consistent engagement on social media and strategic collaborations with influencers, they expanded their reach. Today, their website generates significant passive income through affiliate commissions, showcasing how focus, authenticity, and adaptability can overcome even the toughest challenges. If you found this content helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and strategies. Your support helps us continue creating great content to help you succeed. Wealthy Affiliate is the ultimate platform to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey in 2024. With a proven track record of empowering entrepreneurs worldwide, it offers an all-in-one solution for building a successful online business. The platform provides comprehensive training tailored to beginners and advanced marketers, covering everything from niche selection and website building to advanced SEO techniques and monetization strategies. Wealthy Affiliate's cutting-edge tools, including an intuitive website builder and keyword research tools, simplify the process of creating and scaling a profitable website. The supportive community of like-minded individuals and experts ensures you're never alone, offering real-time feedback, advice, and motivation. With its focus on keeping up with the latest trends and technologies, Wealthy Affiliate equips you with the skills to thrive in today's competitive digital landscape. By following its step-by-step training, you can confidently build a sustainable business and take control of your financial future. This Black Friday, take the first step toward building your online empire with Wealthy Affiliate training. Whether you're a beginner or looking to level up your skills, Wealthy Affiliate provides everything you need to succeed in affiliate marketing. From step-by-step guidance and powerful tools to a supportive community, this is your chance to invest in your future. Don't miss the opportunity to start now and set yourself up for success in 2025. With the exclusive Black Friday offer, there's no better time to join, learn, and thrive. Start your journey today, and take control of your financial freedom. Affiliate marketing in 2024 presents an incredible opportunity for anyone ready to embrace its potential. With the industry expanding rapidly, it offers a profitable path for individuals looking to build sustainable online businesses. Success lies in taking a strategic approach, leveraging advanced tools like AI for research and personalization, and targeting niches that align with emerging trends, such as financial education, sustainable living, and technology. Platforms like Wealthy Affiliate provide the perfect foundation, offering robust training, tools, and community support to help you navigate challenges like competition and market saturation. By focusing on creating authentic content, engaging with audiences through social media, and exploring new strategies like voice search optimization, affiliate marketers can carve out their space in this dynamic landscape. To achieve success in affiliate marketing by 2025, focus on building a strong personal brand that resonates with your audience. Authenticity is key, and people connect with marketers who share genuine experiences, insights, and recommendations. Invest in creating high-quality, engaging content that solves problems and answers your audience's questions. This can include in-depth reviews, tutorials, or guides that offer real value. Harness the power of emerging technologies, such as AI-driven tools for keyword research and content creation, to streamline your workflow and stay ahead of the competition. Staying updated on industry trends and adapting your strategies is essential, especially as platforms like TikTok and Instagram continue to grow as powerful marketing tools. Diversify your traffic sources to avoid over-relying on one platform and use paid ads strategically to drive targeted visitors to your content. Building an email list remains one of the most effective long-term strategies, so focus on creating lead magnets that attract and nurture subscribers. With a well-organized email sequence, you can build stronger relationships and boost your conversions over time. Understanding that success comes from consistency, strategic niche selection, and offering genuine value can help overcome these hurdles. Content marketing, creating high-quality blogs, videos, and social media posts continues to be one of the most effective strategies. By providing valuable insights and product reviews, affiliates can drive targeted traffic and boost conversions. AI-powered tools leveraging AI for keyword research, content creation, and audience analysis has become a game changer in 2024. AI helps streamline workflows and improve engagement by personalizing recommendations. Social media growth platforms like TikTok and Instagram are thriving for short-form content promotion. Affiliates using trends, reels, and creative challenges can attract massive audiences to their affiliate links. Thriving niches, health and wellness, sustainable living, and financial education are booming niches. Emerging areas like AI-driven products, smart home technology, and eco-friendly innovations are capturing consumer interest. Video content. YouTube remains a powerhouse for tutorials, product reviews, and unboxing videos. Affiliates combining SEO optimization with engaging content are reaping significant rewards. Influencer partnerships. Collaborating with micro and macro influencers in specific niches helps affiliates tap into established audiences, boosting credibility and trust. Voice search optimization. As voice-activated devices become more popular, optimizing content for voice search ensures affiliates stay ahead of the curve in driving traffic. Lastly, partnering with brands that align with your values and offering exclusive deals to your followers can enhance credibility and drive sales. By combining these strategies, you can set yourself up for affiliate marketing success in 2025 and beyond. Whether you're just starting or seeking advanced skills, the right mindset, tools, and training are key to thriving in affiliate marketing. Wealthy Affiliates Black Friday offer is the ideal opportunity to start strong and set the stage for success in 2025. With consistent effort, creativity, and guidance from platforms like Smart Wealth Academy, the possibilities are endless. If you're ready to take control of your financial future and achieve financial independence, now is the time to start your affiliate marketing journey in 2024. With the right tools, training, and strategies, you can set yourself up for success in 2025. Don't wait, get started today. The link is in the description, so click now and take the first step towards building your online business. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share your experiences with affiliate marketing or ask any questions you may have. I'm here to help. And if you're looking for more tips and strategies to boost your affiliate marketing journey, be sure to check out our related videos. Let's keep learning and growing together.